Okay, so after a long time waiting, my capture card arrived. So I'm gonna go in depth about how all this shit works. Basically, this is my camcorder. Say hello. Pretty standard. And if I flip it, there's my image, except it's very shit quality because it's on this tiny ass thing. But nonetheless, it has my video, right? I can play it, which I will do later to show you. But basically, I have these three outputs. If I can see that, yeah, there you go. These three outputs. The one in the middle is the one I'm using to take the video, to export the video. So I plug that in. It goes into these. So it branches out from, if I can get it, branches out from that up here and into these. It splits out into three of these things, which you then plug into these three things, the AV, video, audio, whatever outputs. I don't know specifically which ones they are. These things are older than me. And then I have this one, which I apparently don't need, so screw that. And then the capture device, plugged into the computer, connected to OBS. And then if I go up to my camcorder and I hit the play button, something crazy should happen. What? And it's playing on this as well, on my camcorder. Isn't that fucking sick? This is so fucking awesome. And that's the video. And we hit stop. If I can find the button. Stop. And we can rewind the entire cassette tape. Listen to that. Give it a minute. Boom. And I have the camcorder working. Right now it's a blue screen because nothing's playing, but I can export this into a video. Woo!